El Cielo is considered one of the most iconic hikes in the NERJA and FRIGILIANA area. Standing 1,500 meters above sea level, this epic hike from the caves of NERJA will take you roughly 9 hours return. Try and start early. Get on the road as quickly as you can, probably about 7 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, especially if the heat is up. There are some spectacular views along the way. A little bit overgrown in parts, but most of the trail is in very good condition. The first couple of hours will take you along old dirt roads and forest tracks until you get high up above and into the great vistas overlooking the Mediterranean and down into NERJA. Make sure you've got your backpack with you, complete with plenty of water, a good lunch, a good pair of boots. You got to be well equipped because it can be rough underfoot at times, even though the trail is visible and clear to see. But make sure you're well equipped and you have all the right gear. There are no water stops en route, unless you're a dog, of course. You might find the odd pool and get a cool drink. But for us humans, we won't be able to chance that stuff, I'm afraid. So make sure you have plenty of water with you. It's roughly 10 kilometers from the caves to the summit, and then of course 10 kilometers back, so give yourself the proper amount of time for that trek. The summit is actually quite flat at the top, and it's the beginning of a long ridge that stretches all the way around to Navachica. Very broken on the surface, a lot of broken limestone, not a lot of vegetation, and this beautiful big cross right up there. From the cross you get the most spectacular panoramic view, 360 degrees all around. It is very, very nice.